Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to pick a winner for Instagram giveaway. Firstly, get off from your Instagram and go to your browser. Then when you're getting up into your browser, just go to new tab section and then type for app Sortus. Go for it. And then as you can see here on the first section you have free Instagram comment picker. And first you go on the first selection, and here you're gonna wait to get up to this section. It says free Instagram giveaways, create free Instagram giveaway, sweepstakes for free. Now just go for entering your URL because this is much more easier. Now just go back to your setup on your Instagram, choose the giveaway pause that you have getting into it, just go copy the link, then get back into this application, add the link right here, go for start, and as you can see the extension for Google Chrome cannot be installed on mobile device. To get started you need to install this application. Now what you need to do, just simply click on the right upper side on the three dots, then go for desktop side, and now here you're gonna get up into the main point. Now it says how to find Instagram post URL. If you don't know, they're gonna teach you so easy and so fast. And it says how Instagram URL picker works. Go again, add this post to it, go for start, and take a look right here. You need to install the extension and then you're gonna be able to get up through this process. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.